All right, let's see here. Oh, yes. The supposedly non-existent international law. This would be fun. Let's rock. Greetings and felicitations again, my fellow perceptive purple people. I wanted to take a few moments to talk with you about international law and how it matters to you. Here's some quotes. Oh, there are many more, but this should suffice. We're the apex predator. Nobody is going to fight the United States militarily over the future of Greenland. We deserve to own Greenland. There isn't any international law. The only real law is the law of the jungle. Yeah, tell that one to the Nazis in the Nuremberg trials. And from Discount Voldemort, Stephen Miller, we live in a world, in the real world, Jake, that is governed by strength, that is governed by force, that is governed by power. And my personal favorite, the real question is, by what right does Denmark assert control over Greenland? Really? I mean, if you had a next-door neighbor who talked about this, about your place, how would you react? Let's face it, folks. These are not words of a responsible government. These are the words of people seeking conquest. You heard me right, folks. Conquest. As in warmongering, attempting world conquest, starting World War III, all of that. Oh, here's more hard evidence to support my statement, which I'll be talking about in my next video about starting World War III, but that's only marginally relevant to my point here. I'll give you a hint, though. The money gives away the plot. Anyways, my point is, this kind of crap is precisely what our own country wanted to avoid after World War II by helping to create the international laws that exist today. Oh yes, Virginia, there is international law. The Nazis were convicted under international law. You can look it up, and we helped create it. This is what has helped make America so great and should not be abandoned so readily. This path leads to the destruction of everything that we all hold dear. And that's not all, folks. What do you think will become of NATO if Trump goes through with his ill-conceived bullshit? Oh, don't worry about NATO. It will continue. The U.S. will no longer be a part of it, though. Now, before you all MAGA types go thinking this is a good thing, allow me to remind you that the United States would lose bases throughout the entire world that we currently use to be great. Gone. We'll do a CBA on that in another episode, but I think y'all get my drift. So I crystallize all this for you. International law does exist. It is a real thing, and we, along with our allies, created it to stop people like, well, people who think like Trump, it seems. You know all those sanctions that the world put on Russia, North Korea, Iran, etc. Well, guess what? Those same sanctions can be imposed on us under very real international law. So what are your thoughts about this? Do you find our position reasonable, or do you have more logical and rational ideas on the subject? Do be prepared for vigorous yet polite debate, but let's hear it. As always, I'll see you in the comment section below. Till our next chat, remember to keep your balance and stay purple, people. We'll see you again real soon, and let's get America together again.